I am Ejaz Nazir Sheikh from KKWAG Education Society's Arts, Commerce, Science, Computer Science College, Kakasaheb Nagar. Now, I am going to explain a topic from 8051 Architecture, Interfacing and Programming, 8051 Microcontroller Programming using C. With the help of reference 8051 microcontroller and embedded system using embedded system and C by an author Mazidi. A compiler produces a hex file that is downloaded to the ROM microcontroller. The size of the hex file is the main topic or main concern with the microcontroller. The microcontroller have limited on-chip ROM. Microcontroller has only 4 kilobyte on chip ROM. The C programming is a less time consuming but a large hex file size. The reason for writing a program in C is that it is easier and less time consuming to write a C program than assembly program. C programming is easier to modify and update. You can use a more available in a functions library, and a C codes is portable to other microcontroller with a little of no modifications. Hence, rather than assembly programming, we have to use C programming. Data types in a C programming. A good understanding of the C data types for the 8051 can be help programmer to create a small hex files. There are 6 data types in a microcontroller C programming: unsigned character, signed character, unsigned integer, signed integer, single bit, bit and SFR, special function register data types. Out of them, first is the unsigned character. The character data types is the most natural choice, as the microcontroller 8051 is 8-bit microcontroller. The unsigned character is 8-bit data type from the range of 0 to 255 or in hex 00 to FFH. One of the most widely used data types for the microcontroller 8051. It is used for counter value or ASCII characters. A C compiler use a signed character as a default if do not put the keyword unsigned. Here we have some problems or we have some programs. In first program, write a 8051 C program to send a value 00 to FF to port number 1. So here we see that the unsigned character Z pays careful attention to the size of the data and try to use unsigned character instead of integer it if possible. It means if the data is of 8-bit, so we can use unsigned character rather than unsigned integer or integer. In such a we can use unsigned character data type. Then the next one is signed character. It is also a 8-bit data type, but the range of value is from -128 to +127 in decimal. We should stick with the unsigned character unless the need to be represented as a signed number. That is, for example, temperature. Temperature may be a positive or negative. In such conditions, we can use signed character. Here, an example is given. So, we see that the array of -1 +1 -2 +2 -3 +3 -4 +4 is indicated with a signed character. Then next data type is a integer. So it is unsigned integer and signed integer. The unsigned integer is a 16-bit data type. So we can have a range from 0 to 65,536 or in hex 0000 to FFFH. The define bit variables such as memory addresses, so it is used for we can use it for to express or to define a memory address or to set a counter value more than 256, and a register and memory access are 8-bit chunks. The misuse of the variables results in the large hex files. Hence, we have to use very needfully. The sign character is the 16-bit. Similarly, the sign integer is a 16-bit data type. They use the MSD D15 to represent negative or positive sign. Here, the MSB bit indicate whether the data is positive or negative. Using sign integer, we have a range from minus 32,768 to plus 32,767. So here the next data type is a single bit. Using S bit data type, we can address a single bit of of internal RAM or special function registers. We can see in example, the S bit keyword allows access to the single bit of SFR registers, special function registers. To express the single bit or special function registers, 8-bit data type S bit data type is frequently used or mostly used. So here, so far, different types of data types, their size and their range are displayed or indicated in a following table. The bit data type is allows access to the single bit of bit addressable memory locations. Bit data type allows access to single bit of bit addressable memory location space from 20 to 2F in a general purpose RAM. To access the byte size SFR registers, we use the SFR data type. In such a way, such different types of data types are used in a C programming. Unsigned character 8-bit with range 0 to 255. Signed character or only char 8-bit with range minus 128 to plus 128. Unsigned integer 16-bit data type with range 0 to 65,535. Only int means signed integer 16-bit data type with range minus 32,768 to plus 32,767. Then S bit 1-bit data type used for special function bit addressable only. Then bit data type 1-bit data type used for RAM bit addressable locations only. And finally the SFR 8-bit data type used for the special function register to indicate a special function registers. Here some examples in which we use different types of data types are indicated. So these are some examples in which different types of data types are used, and we can do a C programming used in a 8051 microcontroller. The logical operations can be performed using a symbol for operation, logical addition, logical multiplication and inversion as shown in bitwise logic operator for C programming. Using such logical operations we can perform different types of logical operations. So thank you very much for listening me and watching my video. Stay home, stay safe, avoid a spreading of coronavirus, be safe from the coronavirus infection, be smart and inform yourself about it, be kind and support one another. Thank you very much.